Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to troubleshoot the top 3 reasons why your trash compactor drawer is hard to open or close. Stick around to the end of the video for some important safety tips you won't want to miss. But before we begin, we're going to make sure the appliance is unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. First thing to check are the drawer rollers. They're what the drawer rides on in the trash compactor. There are 2 types of drawer rollers used. They're usually just a roller with a ball bearing center, a mounting shaft, and a spacer. The cabinet rollers are mounted at the bottom of the drawer opening on the frame, and the drawer rides on them. The drawer rollers are mounted on each side of the drawer and ride in the roller tracks inside the cavity as the drawer is open and closed. If the drawer rollers have failed, it could cause friction, and the trash compactor drawer will be hard to open and close. In order to check the rollers, you'll have to pull the drawer out and lift it off. Once you have it out, you can inspect the rollers to make sure the plastic roller material is not damaged. Also, spin them to make sure the ball bearings inside are okay and not binding up. If they're damaged, the rollers will have to be replaced. If you need to order a part, simply go to AppliancePartsPros.com and type in your model number. Find your part on the easy-to-read diagrams and match it to the number below. Click on the part if you want to see more pictures of the item or watch its repair video. You can also scroll down to see DIY stories from customers like you, or ask a question in the Q&A section. Once you're ready, you can add the part to your cart. It's that easy. Most orders will arrive within 2 business days. Next, we can check the foot pedal. It's what you step on to unlock the drawer so it can be opened. The foot pedal is made of plastic and has a mounting point on each end. It's located in the front at the base of the drawer. If the drawer is hard to open or close, the foot pedal may be damaged. Open up the drawer and inspect the foot pedal. If it's damaged and interfering with the drawer opening and closing, it'll have to be replaced. As always, guys, hit those like and subscribe buttons now to help support us making more of these videos. The last thing to check are the drawer tracks. They're what the drawer rollers ride in. The drawer track is a metal rail that the drawer roller rides in as the drawer opens and closes. They're located inside the trash compactor at the bottom, and there's one on each side. If the drawer is hard to open or close, the tracks may be damaged. It's rare for the tracks to fail, but sometimes they may get bent and the drawer will be hard to open and close. Inspect them and straighten out any bends you find. If they're bent or damaged too much to be straightened, then they'll have to be replaced. Now here are those safety tips we mentioned earlier. Trash compactors use up to 5,000 pounds of force to compact your trash, so it's important to take precautions to avoid accidents and injuries. Keep an eye on children to make sure they don't play with the compactor. Some units have locks or require keys to operate. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and never put hazardous items in the bin. These include glass, aerosol cans, and batteries, as well as items that could damage the compactor itself, like hard objects that don't compress. Never use your hands or feet to compact the waste in the unit. It's also advisable not to put any items in the bin that may decompose and create bacteria and odors, since the trash sits there longer between changes. Trash compactors have many safety features that prevent them from working if something fails, so it's important to fix them right away. Following the manufacturer's recommendations will help keep your trash compactor in working order for many years to come. Once you take care of the problem, you can plug the appliance in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another troubleshooting video brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons now, and if you have any questions or want to share how your repair went, leave a comment down below.